Hey guys, it's Eloise, and today I am going to make a DIY cleaner, especially for your bathtub. It will make it extra shiny and clean, and it's safe to inhale. Alright, so what you need, basically two things. You have this. You need the white vinegar, and then the Blue Dawn dish soap, okay? Has to be blue. It makes it extra awesome. Then you need an empty spray bottle, like so. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this wonderful thing and you're going to fill it halfway, like around here. And then you are going to take this and you're gonna pour it in something that is microwave safe, and you're gonna bring it to a boil. Like just as it starts to boil. You want it pretty hot, but not too hot. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna fill it up all the way to the top. Once you get your white vinegar hot, then you're gonna pour the remaining what's left over here, and then you'll shake it gently like so, and then it will be ready. So here we go. All right, so I poured the hot vinegar in here, and then you just shake it like this gently. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your bathtub or your sink or whatever you want to clean, and you spray it on and you wait like 15-20 minutes, and you go back and then you can literally just rinse it off. But I still do a sponge and kind of scrub just a little bit just to get that extra clean, but it takes off soap scum, so you're not sitting there scrubbing your tub for like an hour or whatever. It really helps clean it thoroughly, and it makes it super shiny. I think that's the dish soap, the blue dish soap makes it really shiny and pretty, and then you can take a nice bath in a clean tub, and it's amazing. So I will have the link in the description for empty bottles, which is nice because then you don't have to go to the store and buy more bottles and more bottles and more bottles, fill up the landfill with plastic bottles or the ocean. I will also have the Blue Dawn dish soap and the white vinegar that you can buy on Amazon, because Amazon has everything. I am an affiliate, so whatever you purchase from my links, I make money, so I thank you for that. And I will spray everything, and then 15 minutes later I'll add that to the video and you can see the shininess and the beautifulness. Okay, I love y'all. Be back. I left this dirty for y'all to see. Oh. So I'm going to spray it like so, just all over. I would do my bathtub, but I just cleaned that, so yeah. But my sink is dirty, like I said. So we're gonna leave that for 15 minutes. I'll come back, wipe it all clean. You'll see it's super shiny. All right, now it is time to clean it all up.